Hey guys, Nikhil here from Home Banao. In this video, I'll be doing the unboxing of the Panasonic top load fully automatic washing machine. Let's get straight into the video. So guys, this completes the unboxing of the Panasonic top load fully automatic washing machine. So apart from the packaging, I must say it's been packed very tightly, so I'm sure even if you order online, it'll be delivered to you properly. Let me show you how it looks. Pretty cool, right? If these unprecedented times have shown us anything, machines which can help in day-to-day life have become absolutely essentials. Washing clothes, doing laundry, whatever you want to call it, is an utmost priority right now. And hygiene is the need of the hour. For those of you who don't know, Panasonic is a 100-year-old Japanese home appliance maker. They are absolute specialists in various different home appliances like washing machine, refrigerators, rice cookers, etc. Today I have with us a very useful washing machine, the Panasonic V9 top load fully automatic washing machine. I know it's a mouthful, but let's get straight into the video. So the main highlighting features for this washing machine is something called as the StainMaster Plus technology, which basically destroys 99.99% of bacteria because of heater, and EcoNavi sensors, which will help basically maintain the amount of water consumption and power consumption. Don't worry if you're hearing a lot of new words, I'll be going through each feature in detail. So let's see one by one how this particular washing machine, the Panasonic V9 top load washing machine, fares in each of these categories. Starting with cleaning ability. So what are the main parameters which you need to consider when buying a washing machine? When I say parameters, right, when you end up buying a smartphone, for example, you compare display size, RAM, processor speed, all those things. For a washing machine, I'd like to consider these parameters. Number one, cleaning ability, how well the washing machine is able to actually wash and clean your clothes. Next is the cost factor. Is it something which is affordable, which everyone can buy? After that, you have your water consumption, energy consumption, capacity of the washing machine. When I say capacity, I mean how much you can wash in a single load. And then finally, you have convenience and ease of use. How easy is it for someone to use? Let's get into the main features of the cleaning ability of this washing machine. The first feature I'd like to highlight is the StainMaster Plus feature, which basically is the name for the heater and the active scrubbing feature of this washing machine. Now, this feature allows it to get rid of the most stubborn stains, also allows it to remove 99.99% of bacteria, so which ensures that your clothes immunity is maintained absolutely. Like, you don't have to worry about it in terms of your clothes passing on germs and things like that. The next feature I want to highlight is especially for white clothes. They have something called as the white course, wherein when you put in white clothes and you run that feature, it is specially designed to make sure that your white clothes remain white and don't end up getting other colors. The final feature I want to highlight is the active foam feature, which is basically able to remove a lot additional stains, dried up stains, and some very, very stubborn stains, which a lot of other washing machines may not be able to. Next, let's talk about the cost. This particular washing machine ranges anywhere between 25,000 to 40,000 rupees, depending on the capacity which you choose. The model which I have with me is the 8 kg model, which costs rupees 33,800. At least that's the MRP. For the latest prices, link in the description, guys. But this, I think, for a fully automatic washing machine is fairly standard industry-leading pricing. Let's talk about the energy and power consumption of this washing machine. Now, the listed capacity for this washing machine is 8 kg and the power input is 1460 watts. But here's the thing, Panasonic has included a very intelligent feature in this machine, which is called the EcoNavi sensor. Now, what does this sensor or this family of sensors do? It's not necessary that every single time you load up clothes to the maximum capacity. You may end up loading up clothes to 50% or 75% of the capacity. So this machine with its EcoNavi sensors is intelligently able to determine how much power and how much water is exactly needed to ensure that there is a best wash possible and the maximum optimized level of water and power is consumed. So this will actually end up result in saving you lots of money and lots of water over the long term. So the next parameter I want to talk about is capacity. This washing machine is available in various sizes, in various capacities. So you can exactly choose the capacity and size which you need, your family needs. Now let's talk about durability. When you're buying a washing machine, of course, you're buying it for 5 years, 10 years sometimes. Well, the first thing I want to highlight here is the motor in this washing machine comes with a 12-year warranty, which I think is really, really remarkable. Next, the entire body is made of metal. The top area is made of high quality glass and plastic. So, I do not think that there's any issues with respect to the build quality of this washing machine. But there's two features I want to highlight here to help improve the durability in the long term. The first feature is this lid. This lid is a soft closing lid. So you'll never have those, immediate closing, shutting down of lids. It will be very soft, smooth, which will actually ensure the life of the washing machine. But the second thing is also the wide opening of this washing machine. One of the biggest complaints I have with top load washing machine is that the opening is not wide enough. But with this washing machine, because I've given a big wide opening, it will be easy to remove heavy clothing items or maybe blankets which you may end up putting for wash. So this I think is a really good feature which will ensure that over the long term, the washing machine lasts fairly long. Guys, let's talk about the ease of use of this washing machine, which I think is a very important parameter. You should be able to use all the advanced features very easily. So let's just see how this washing machine fares in that department. How easy is it to use? To get the machine on, you just press on this on off button. The moment you press it on, you'll see small LED light indicators which come up. The machine has 15 different preset programs ranging from normal wash, eco wash, quick wash to just a soak or something special to this machine, which is the white mode. So basically the white course will allow you to wash any white clothes you'll have and it will make sure that the color remains white and doesn't change. To do that, to change your program, there is this big program button. You just click on it. So the number changes depending on how many times you press. So say I want to get into the germ clean mode, right? I have to press this 15 times and then I just click on start. Let me just stop it for a second. So each one of these modes will basically adjust the water level, amount of spin, amount of rinse, amount of wash and the different temperature settings. Now, when I say temperature settings, you'll be wondering, well, how does the temperature vary? This particular machine, because it has a built-in heater, it actually washes clothes at a much higher temperature, which is especially useful during the germ clean mode. And this contributes to the Stain Master Plus feature, which I told you about earlier, which basically kills 99.99% bacteria, germs, etc. Now, finally, say you do not want to use any one of these preset modes, but you want to use on your own a custom mode. You can actually adjust the wash time, the rinse, the spin, how many times you want it to spin, and the water level for a given particular wash. Now, I would recommend using these existing programs itself because obviously the Panasonic will know better as to how to make maximum out of this machine. But yeah, overall, if you see, this has a very simple layout of buttons, very obvious. I think it's fairly intuitive and when you think about it, I'm sure anyone will be able to use this washing machine fairly easily and simply. In conclusion, who is this washing machine for? I think in urban locales where there is a space constraint for a 4-5 member house, for a 4-5 member family, this is an incredible washing machine to buy, especially for those who want to have incredible immunity in their clothes. Where immunity of their clothes is a top priority. So I think it's a really, really incredible machine to purchase. One of the best brands of the world is making it, which is Panasonic, and I highly recommend it. So where can you buy this washing machine? Well, link in the description if you want to buy it off of Amazon, or you can actually go and experience this washing machine in any major electronic retail provider. Don't forget to check out this washing machine. If you want to support the channel, buy it from the link in the description. Thanks a lot, guys. Nikhil from Home Banao signing off.